My name is Rick Valentin. I'm from originally Western Springs, Illinois, outside of Chicago. I went to school at the University of Illinois, so I lived in Champaign, Illinois for a very long time. I have a degree in computer science and in new media art. I think I had a more open perspective of what a computer was for, and then as I started working with the computers, it just happened to be that for me, I was a musician, and some music videos at that same time started getting popular. And then as a musician, I was making cover art records, and so the first record cover art I made was in a copy shop with press-on letters and everything like that. But then the next record, since I was familiar with computers and I learned about Photoshop and Illustrator, I was able to do that stuff on a computer. And then it just kind of went from there. It was like, oh, now, I mean, my band made a couple of videos, but we had to get other people to do it because they had the equipment and they knew how to do it, and they could rent the video editing place. And then the minute something like Premiere was available, or video editing, and then you could get a little postage stamp size video onto the computer, it was like, oh, now I can do it, right? I don't have to pay these people to do it and then compromise and everything like that. And it just kind of went from there. Well, I was a grad student, so you get to teach a little bit. You get to be a teaching assistant, although most of the time I was a research assistant at the U of I. So I had a little bit of experience with that, but honestly, my wife started teaching here, and then we had similar backgrounds, and the arts technology program was amazing, and then I was asked to be a visiting sort of adjunct professor, and I taught one class a semester the first time, and that was the first time I taught a full course. I think it was kind of a tryout, and then a position opened up here, and I applied for it and went through the whole gauntlet of approval and interviews and showing your work and all that kind of stuff, and I was lucky enough to get the job.